Now property 4, the scalar triple product vanishes if any of two of its vectors are equal. Now how it vanishes, let's check it. Now we can have, suppose now we are having A, vector A, vector A, vector B. This will be equal to 0. Vector A, vector B, vector A. This will be equal to 0. Vector B, vector A, vector A. This will be equal to 0. Okay, now how it will be? Now to this what we can write it? Vector A, vector A, vector B. This is equal to vector A cross vector A with dot vector C, or this is equal to 0 dot vector C is equal to 0. So like this, if any of the two vectors are equal, then scalar triple product will vanish. Property 5. Now, the scalar triple product vanishes if any of two of its vectors are parallel or collinear. Now how it will be? Now let vector A, vector B, vector C be three vectors, and vector A is parallel to vector B. Now what is the condition for parallel? If vector A is parallel to vector B, then vector A is equal to lambda vector B for some scalar lambda. Okay. Now vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to, now in place of vector A we are having lambda vector B, so we will be writing lambda vector B, vector B, vector C. Now this will be then lambda vector B cross product of vector B dot vector C, and this will be 0 dot vector C is equal to 0. So in both the cases, if the vectors are equal or vectors are parallel, the result will be 0.